It's because Duke won't allow him here, and now I took Duke home. What's Sam up to? Is she coming home this weekend?
I don't think so. She called last night. She was pretty bored.
No parties?
There was one that I think she was going to, but
That starts to get old after a while, huh?
yeah, she's not a big partier. I mean, you know, she's never has been, but
Come on, Rebecca, let's get some bucking. Make her. Or this video is going to be boring.
it looks like she's getting ready.
Yeah. We'll throw Tony on her. Hang on to the horn, sister.
I'm going to the orthopedic surgeon Wednesday anyway.
For your knee?
Yeah.
How's that doing?
Well,
It's bothering you?
Yeah.
You never did have surgery on it, right?
Not after I broke it.
And it has a torn meniscus?
I don't know if it's the meniscus or what it is. My neighbor's daughter's a orthopedic or